Hi guys, this is Michael from Nomadic Insights. I just want to do a quick take on a new offering that's happening in the public for INX Limited. So INX is trying to launch a securities trading platform for crypto assets. It's going to be kind of similar to Merrill Edge or Charles Schwab, where they're essentially going to be offering a DIY brokerage platform. So when we're talking about what they're offering tokenized assets. So these tokens are simply digital stock certificates and don't really seem to be that fancy to me, but if we call it a token, everything is much better, right? So personally, after looking at INX's platform, their offerings, it seems like it's an interesting idea. Now, whether that interesting idea is worth investing in, however, is a different story. The reason why I am not sold on this is if I'm a retail investor using Robinhood right now, where I pay zero commission and zero transaction fees to Robinhood, why would I switch my assets over to INX Limited? Why would I do that? Because the major problem with these crypto platforms is the ridiculously high spreads and transaction fees. So I understand that it's really good for a broker to have me on their little trading platform because they can make a killing on commission. That's really great for the broker, but really bad for the investor. Now let's think of the Wolf of Wall Street with Jordan Belfort, where are all the customers' boats? It's Fugazi, right? And that's basically Fugazi. It's all fake. Is a little bit of what I feel as I look at this. Now, don't get me wrong, I am not doing a deep dive due diligence here. The underlying technology could be really cool, it could be really interesting, but just looking at my own crypto trading, looking at my fees, looking at the spreads and looking at the actual takes, the data shows high frequency crypto trading is extremely expensive. There's no way around that. There's no way around that. So again, do your own research. Don't risk money you can't afford to lose. But a token platform, that's what the stock exchange already is. The main benefit here would be a peer-to-peer stock trading network that allows the markets to run 24/7 and be more efficient. So there wouldn't be a NASDAQ. There's going to be no New York Stock Exchange. There's just going to be peer-to-peer trading of these crypto assets, but they still need to be cleared by the SEC in order to be legally traded. So this is going to just make the OTC market, or the over-the-counter, disinformation problem, where you have more pump and dumps occurring. It's just going to make the problem even worse potentially. So I'm intrigued by INX. People could make a lot of money with INX, but again, you know, I just don't see the value proposition. It just doesn't make a lot of sense to me. Coinbase's business model makes sense. It's the onboarding wrap into the crypto economy. Very simple. Very simple. I get that. INX with all this token malarkey with the EXs, like once you get into more like the derivatives and the really, edgy financial products, I got two kinds of investments. I got vanilla investment and I got kinky stuff. Most people are just not interested in kinky investments. I mean, they're not. It's not for everyone, and that's okay. Most people are vanilla, and that's okay. But it's a little INX feels like it's a kinky investment choice. Not my kink, unfortunately, when it comes to investments. So again, the actual tokens and these symbols, they're fugazi. They don't mean anything. You're actually investing in an underlying blockchain. And don't forget, there's actually, with Ripple, the token just represents the cost of transactions on the platform. So the more expensive Ethereum becomes, actually, the worse the Ethereum platform is from an actual investment perspective, because it's just gonna make things more expensive. So appreciating crypto is not necessarily a good thing from a decentralization perspective. Just gonna toss that out there. But again, do your own research, and it's okay to be a vanilla investor. I mean, you can still make money. You do not need to be super kinky. Okay, you do not need to be super kinky when it comes to your investments. And I'm just gonna own that. But again, not everything needs to be friggin' kinky. Okay, that's just my take here. Um, Again, guys, thanks for watching. Stay awesome.